All right folks, Sam with KC Lawns here. I'm gonna show you how to change the string on a electric DeWalt trimmer. Grab your new string. This is the lime green string by Stihl. If you would like it, it is the best string. I've been doing this for 10 years. I know, the link is in the description below. We'll pull out 1, 2. It's roughly 12 feet of string. Take that, snip it. All right, now that you have your string, you're gonna remove the battery so that you don't accidentally cut off your fingers. And you're gonna push it through this hole right here. You're going to want to see this line right here? You take that line and then you line it up just like that. Hold on. Where this line and this line meet up. And you're going to take it and you're going to push it right through. In fact, if you look through it, you can see it go in. And out the other side. Now, take the trimmer, lay it down here, and we're going to pull it to where it is even. Even Steven, just like that. We come back here, take this, we hold onto this top portion right here, looks kind of like a gear, and then we're going to take this head and we're going to spin it clockwise. And that there, folks, is how you replace your string on a electric DeWalt trimmer. If it was helpful, if it was useful, this video that I'm talking about, go ahead and like it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. And don't forget, when you're trimming, always wear protection.